In this video, I'm going to show you how AlchemyIoT's Clarity application gives you operational visibility into your fleet of assets regardless of job site location and equipment manufacturer or machine type. Choosing Dashboard from the top toolbar brings you to your customized dashboard experience. On this screen, you can add several pre-configured dashboard widgets that give you the best view into what is happening to your equipment in the field. In this example, I'm able to view any faults that have occurred in the last 24 hours. These include custom events I may have created, as well as sensors that have exceeded manufacturer's preset limits, such as engine temperature, vibration levels, etc. Additionally, I'm able to see which assets are nearing routine service intervals. I can view both faults and routine service information by asset type or by job site location. This gives me much needed operational visibility into how my equipment is functioning in the field and allows me to orchestrate my service needs efficiently. I'll cover how to build your own events and triggers in the separate Actionable Events demo video. You can drill into the faults and routine service issues by either clicking the View Details button or selecting Issues from the top toolbar. Once in the Issues tab, I gain further operational visibility by seeing exactly what type of fault or service is needed. Notice I have an excavator whose sensors have triggered a hydraulic boom pressure drop. If I have a large number of issues, I can easily filter the list based on filters on the left-hand side. For example, I can list only machines that are in need of routine service. If needed, I could further filter the list by asset type or job site location. It's worth noting here that not only will these issues be shown on my personal dashboard, but I can also configure them to notify me by email and intra-app notifications. In addition to having an easy-to-use summary of my IoT-triggered events, my dashboard can also be configured to show me what work orders are assigned to me or to my team. It gives me a window into the status of the work orders, and it allows me to drill further for more details. By clicking the View Details button or the Work Orders tab on the top toolbar, I navigate to the details, allowing me to plan my work ahead of time and schedule it based on the type of machine or even job site location. I can easily filter my work orders by priority, status, assignee, or asset type. I'll cover work orders in more detail in a separate demo. The last example of operational visibility that I'll cover in this demo is how to find, filter, and view the equipment that I own. Selecting the Fleet tab on the top toolbar gives me a listing of all the equipment I own. I can easily find and select my equipment either by filtering on asset type or location in the left-hand side filters, or entering in information such as the serial number or name of the equipment, and then pressing the search button. Once I select the asset, I immediately have a clear view of how the asset's running and all of the details I need to ensure minimal downtime. Our patented health index shows the current state of the machine's health, either in red error form, yellow warning, or OK green colors. I cover the details on our advanced machine learning and health indices in a separate demo video. At a quick glance, I can see the health of the machine, what job site it should be at, and summary level information such as machine hours. All of this information is configurable by you. Notice this particular asset is supposed to be at my Blake Street job site. However, based on the GPS sensors on the machine and a geofence I created for that job site, I'm told immediately that it's not at the correct location. I can select the Location tab to view where the machine is located compared to the actual job site. This is useful when coordinating or orchestrating service on my assets. In addition to its current location, I have all of the information about this machine at my fingertips. I'm able to see any open issues that have been triggered by my IoT sensors. Again, these can be faults or routine service that are needed. I have a direct view into the current state of the machine by viewing the Sensors Data tab. These are all of the current sensors on this particular asset and their last recorded reading. You may note that the sensor data changes as you're viewing it because we have live web sockets that listen routinely for changes in sensor information. You can see the history and trend charts and triggered events of a given sensor by selecting the sensor itself. Notice the hydraulic boom pressure sensor. If I'm a field service person and I've been doing more maintenance on my main boom than is normal, I might want to look into the history of that sensor and see what events have been triggered. Clicking on the sensor gives me a graph showing the previous month, 6 months, or year trends and any triggered custom event I have assigned to that sensor. Notice on this particular day, I have had several drops in pressure. If I wanted to, I could drill down and navigate to the specific event for more information. In addition to IoT-driven events and issues, I can see the history of work that's been done on this machine, as well as create new ad hoc or predefined work orders. Examples of these can range from routine maintenance intervals such as a 1,000-hour service to a specific and custom audit of that asset. Work orders can be created and executed manually, or you can auto-create a work order based on your custom event from your telemetry streams. Again, I cover issues, events, and actions in a separate demo. The last thing I want to show you in this operational visibility demo is the ability to favorite an asset. Simply clicking the star above the health index allows me to tap this asset to my favorites widget dashboard. This is helpful in the event I'm going to be working on the asset soon or need to reach out to someone in customer support at the manufacturer. It keeps me from having to search for the asset later. Thanks for watching this operational visibility demo. Clarity gives you, the owner-operator of any type of complex asset, a deep view into your fleet so that you can orchestrate service to keep your assets running smoothly. For a deeper dive into our advanced machine learning analytics and to see how we make IoT actionable, please watch our other videos on YouTube and our website, AlchemyIoT.com.